Hi guys, the song is absolutely free and absolutely beautiful. Sunshine day, I guess that I'll be on my way. The gypsy has to leave you one more time. I know that you can handle it just fine. How about a smile? How about a laugh? All of my dreams have let go of the leaves, and a winter wind is blowing us apart. The gypsy knows that he will take your heart. That's it brings to me, absolutely free and absolutely beautiful. On my way, I must find a place to stay. Okay, let's go back to our intro. The intro is D, down, up, down, down, up, and then pick the first string, hammer on the third fret, and then F sharp minor, down, up, down, down, up, and then pick again the first string, hammer on the third fret, and then F. F is down, up, down, down, 4 only. Okay, down, up, down, down, and then second fret, first string, hammer, pull off, hammer. So, and then A, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and then A7, sustain, down, 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 A7, down, down, and then D, down, down, up, down, up, down, for D6, so down, down, up, down, up, down, and then back to A7, sustain, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, back to D, down, down, up, down, up, down, back again to A7, sustain, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, now we go to the first verse. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunshine day, I guess that I'll be on my way. Okay, the first verse and the second verse is the same, except for the last line of the second verse, because we have verse 1 is A7 sustain, 1 measure, and then A7, but for verse 2, A, half measure, and then A sus 4, and then back to A, and then A sus 2. Okay, the strumming pattern for half measure is down, down, up, down, and then down, down, up, down, back to A, down, down, up, down, and then down, down, up, down. Okay, so now let's go to the third verse. The third verse is exactly the same as verse 1, but I play it. On my way, I must find a place to stay. Baby girl, out on in a second, 'cause you get all the love that in my life, in your life. The ad-lib is the same as the intro. You can simply strum it. It's played twice. Okay, now let's go to the last verse. It's the same as 1, 2, and 3, but this one is extended, an extended version. Same strumming, almost same chords. Okay, so okay. Down on my knees, asking a big God to help me please. I want to see the all in every day. I want to understand her every key. That's it, rings to me. Absolutely free, free, and absolutely beautiful. She brings to me, and I give to her. She brings to me, absolutely free, and absolutely beautiful. She brings to me, and I give to her. She brings to me, absolutely free, and absolutely me. I'm one for her, and she's one for me. La 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 la. Okay, that's all. So just remember the strumming pattern: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. For half measure, down, down, up, down. Okay, and chords with 2 dashes is 8 strums, and 4 with 1 dash, 4 strums. Okay, so there you have it. Now let me show you. Okay, see it? Your tab, your intro tab here. Okay, that's your intro tab. Okay, well, that's it. Enjoy strumming, guys. This is an old song, but it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, see you next time. Those who haven't subscribed, subscribe. Our next lesson most probably from the 80s. After the 80s, we go to the 90s, and then we go to the new millennium. Okay, so it's raining here in my place, but it's not so heavy. Okay.